Hi, this is Nick George with Clouds Diamond Sharpening, just to show you a magic clip repair. Let's go down to the table and take a look at it. Alright, so this is a magic clip, cordless clipper for barbers generally. If you can hear it, the motor stutters. I tried to clean it out already, and it will need a new motor. What happened is the carbon got stuck in the motor, and it ran for a while, got hot, and then now it's shorting out. So I'll have to replace it with the new motor. And I'll show you in this video doing that. Let's get to work.
Let that move with perfect grace. Keep them sharp, keep up the pace. But Clouds Diamond Sharpening, they shine so bright. Boil them down, they'll glide just right. We love your oil, we keep them clean. Clipper care keeps them keen. Drive the blade, let it flow. With the Clouds Diamond Sharpening, they'll never slow. Armature spins with steady might. Brushes worn, we'll set them right. Dust them off, keep them fresh. Clouds Diamond Sharpening does the rest. We love your oil, we keep them clean. Clipper care keeps them keen. Drive the blade, let it flow. With the Clouds Diamond Sharpening, they'll never slow. Armature spins with steady might. Brushes worn, we'll set them right. Dust them off, keep them fresh. Clouds Diamond Sharpening does the rest. We love your oil, we keep them clean. Clipper care keeps them keen. Drive the blade, let it flow. With the Clouds Diamond Sharpening, they'll never slow. Blade drive needs a gentle touch. Align it well, don't push too much. Switches click, cords may fray. Clouds Diamond Sharpening will save the day. We love your oil, we keep them clean. Clipper care keeps them keen. Drive the blade, let it flow. With the Clouds Diamond Sharpening, they'll never slow. Every use a little care. Wipe them down, make them fair. Routine checks every while. Clouds Diamond Sharpening keeps them running mile by mile. We love your oil, we keep them clean. Clipper care keeps them keen. Drive the blade, let it flow. With the Clouds Diamond Sharpening, they'll never slow.
Okay, the repair is all done. New motor, nice steady speed. Yeah, get these clippers serviced and they'll last forever. We can get all parts now. All parts are available. We can sharpen them and take care of them. Cut beautifully. Thank you for this wonderful adventure. Please subscribe and have fun watching. See you later.